When we talk about budgets, there are several points that need to be taken into account. To start with, the human resources costs involved in performing a clinical investigation. Such resources may be existing internally, or maybe you need to consider new hirings. Directly related to the conduct of the clinical investigations are the clinical research associates or monitors, dedicated project manager or lead monitor, medical officers, study assistants, data entry personnel and other biostatistics, safety officers, and maybe more depending on the organization you work in. Further important functions, usually not internally, are the Data Monitoring Board members, Critical Events Committee members, external and independent experts, centralized laboratories, independent randomization team, and more depending on the design of the clinical investigation. Using Gantt charts or some format of project planning is highly recommended, but they should not become more burdensome than the effectiveness they are supposed to create for the project leader. One rule is keep it simple and stupid. Some programs, such as MS Project, may become very burdensome and may take up a lot of time from the project leader to learn how to use it. Gantt charts are very useful in a startup phase, but clear update rules must be made. An interesting concept is the backwards calculation. As a project leader, you are usually under a lot of pressure to get your project done as quickly as possible. You may actually get some very ambitious timelines imposed by senior management. Backwards time calculations may be useful for you in this situation. As an example, start with the end date management has imposed you, and then calculate backwards all tasks that need to be completed before reaching the goal. You may quickly find out that you need a miracle